Okay, we're on the train on our way back. Well, on our way to the airport. Did you have a good time, Martin?
I did.
What else have you got to say for yourself?
Not much.
What was the highlight of the trip?
Staying in Paris for a couple of days.
Wasn't it losing your bag and getting all new stuff?
No, not really.
Paid for by yours truly?
Wasting £2 is quite good.
Was that in the casino?
No.
You're not Jason, you know.
No, just wasting it on different stuff.
What did you waste it on?
Food. Because I've got
See your
my
belly?
No, you'll see my belly. I lost 10,000 calories this weekend.
Did you?
Yes, I did.
So did I. I'm really thin. That's why I can't be on the camera. Should we take a video outside? Let's have a see. Oh, it's a sunny day and everything's going really quickly.
Shitty suburbs.
They're not. They're like the nicest place in the world. You can't see the graffiti because we're going so fast. That was Martin's really nice face.
Yeah.
Oh, there's some trains, but you can't see them because everything's reflecting off the window. I'm bored.
Morning, Jesus.
Morning. It's not morning, you have to say evening.
Jesus.